Yeah. I think about this chick, man, she was alright. She used to skip class with me and ride around in the night. I never thought a lot of it. I tried to keep it cool till she hooked up with other kids running around the school. Stupid shit, how you do that, girl? I used to complain about bitches, now you that girl. Now I'm hearing about how everybody screwed that girl. It didn't take long for you to act a fool, damn, girl. Now this high school shit be getting real old. Try to tell the teachers that we done, but they still old. Don't wanna listen to us, a fucking generation. Well, they can all go fuck themselves like some masturbation. That's an exaggeration. I sit up in my room and think about all of the fucked up shit I do. But homie, it's all cool. I'm gonna finish school, then scream peace like the Middle East and Egypt do. I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored, you know I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored. Damn, man, where's your motherfucking manners? I spit like a dumbass and fly around Saturn. My brain smoked out, put myself on the platter. So any fucking rapper try to diss me doesn't matter. And I'm more bored than 4 George Foreman, sleeping on the porch in the middle of a storm, man. What? It's what we do round here, cause there ain't nothing to do. We straight cruise round here. It's the simple life getting pretty boring. I never finish my work, I want a tour, man. Lay out a floor plan, chilling like an old man. Then I roll joints with Gruber, that's 4 hands. Trying to keep shit hot, I open up shop, spit pop and spit rock and still rock some dumb socks. The skinny kid with the game on smash. If you don't like it, motherfucker, you can kiss my ass. I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored, you know I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored. Really, you done means you bet I felt it. But it's all good, cause I be making the best of it. Fell right through the cracks, but this my life that I get back. Well, you done means you bet I felt it. But it's all good, cause I be making the best of it. Fell right through the cracks, but this my life that I get back. Yeah, I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored, you know I won't hesitate no more, cause I can't. I'm trying to break free of this fucking place. I'm bored. Yeah, man, we're gonna find something to do. It's all good. Doesn't it sound like that, man? Totally bit it.